Okay, now we're gonna do lizard bomb. Also, that sound is my brother watching YouTube. So here's my son. What? No. Basically waiting for my dad.
They locked us in. The only way now is to complete the obby.
Wyatt?
Obby means obstacle.
Try this one.
Ah, thanks. Stand on the Ninja Championship pedestal. You'll then get control over the headquarters and...
Poppin' strawberries, okay.
Is there a fancy title that comes with that?
So-
Ninja Obby Grand Champion. Hey, 100,000 free Robux.
What?
Out of my way, losers. Those free Robux. Just imagine the floor is lava.
I'm just gonna walk it. Ooh. What just happened? Can't walk and have to jump.
Step aside.
What's happening? I'm growing snow in my sleeve.
Turns out I'm not physically coordinated. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm not doing it.
Sorry. Dad, I'm waiting for you.
I'm helping your mom right now, tough guy.
Seeing Judah Brock tried this challenge, but we cannot do it. I think it's impossible. Definitely impossible. No one can do it. No one. I was gonna try that next. Who even is that guy? Wait, Daniel, is that you? Are you dressed like a dinosaur? I was about to go to the National Dinosaur Convention when Mom called us here. So, let's just pretend I'm the normal, serious outfit. Okay?
That is over by the actual bottle juices in the soda aisle.
Can't make this the first challenge, huh?
That one has gotten me a bunch of times.
I would have probably gone to like 3 different houses.
I would always used to go into produce, and then I would go down like the juice, like that
Or
aisle.
even like chicken aisle.
What are you doing?
Okay, so I just took the plastic off the blizzard gun.
That was an option?
Dad, I'm waiting for you.
Riley, you know.
I need help too.
You're not making a video, you're being snotty.
I'm not. How do you describe it?
Okay, regular. Cool, now I'm gonna be like, full carton. What the hell?
Did you spill your nice new fancy
There was
whiskey?
nothing, or was like a tiny trickle.
Dad, I want to do it now.
Yes, we
Okay.
I already took the plastic off.
I got Roger.
Do we need to plug the drain?
Anyone want some frozen Kit Kats?
Yeah. I'll do that after because I'm kind of busy. Can you open this one for me? Wyatt, you should be watching.
Is there a toy inside?
I don't know. Probably. Wyatt, look! It's happening! What the heck? Oh my
heart.
Yeah, you have to make an animal. Look at the water. Look at the water. Is it hot? Can you hold it for a second? There's a body part. Don't turn it off yet. I want to show my body. Wait. I want to touch the water. What does the water feel like? I want to feel it. It feels like water. It's blue. It feels like an Enderbutt.